Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting inside Roblox. Open Settings now by clicking the gear icon at the top right. You need to be logged in so your preferences save to your account. If you use the web, make sure your browser is up to date. If you're in the desktop client, confirm the app is updated so the appearance options appear. Once done, navigate directly to the Settings or Account tab to find Display and Theme controls and prepare to change the mode. Now locate the Appearance or Theme section inside Settings. Sometimes it's under Accessibility. You'll see theme options. Choose Dark, Night, or System if you want automatic switching. Select Dark and watch the preview change. This flips backgrounds and UI elements to reduce glare and improve focus during long sessions. Make sure to click Apply or Save so the preference is tied to your account. If using a mobile app, the theme may follow your device's system settings instead. Complete by restarting Roblox or refreshing the page to guarantee the dark theme is fully applied across all interface elements. If you use multiple devices, check that the account synced setting propagated. Sign out and back in if needed. If dark mode options are missing, clear your browser cache or update the Roblox client. Outdated builds sometimes hide new features. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggling system theme on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.